Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, this is going to be a short demonstration of one of these Ruhmkorff coils I built. It functions on a little bit of a different principle from the classic setup, which in this one, the primary is wound on the outside as opposed to inside the secondary. What I did with this one was the secondary was wound first at using 40 gauge wire, and there's 14,600 turns on it. And the primary is 22 gauge wire, and there's about 150 turns. One of the leads of the secondary is connected to this side of the core, and from this side I have a wire going to one of the high voltage terminals. And in this coil, you may see it, but the secondary and the primary are soldered together on one lead. Now, this needs to be done so, for example, if it's how ignition coils work, but it keeps the potential between the two coils to a minimum. So it keeps them to a minimum so the primary doesn't punch through the insulation to get to the secondary. As a driver, I'm using a 555 IRF 460 MOSFET ignition coil driver, and out of the high voltage, this one I constructed, and it was supposed to be a 1/2-inch spark, and it turned out to be one. So one of the main improvements was using lots of small wires for the core as opposed to laminations. And let's see it in action. Yeah, it makes about a 1/2-inch spark, which is just as calculated. And that's all there really is to it. Thanks for watching.